How to redeem your gift card DoorDash. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can redeem it. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So the steps you need to follow are pretty simple and easy. So the steps are what you need to follow to redeem it are: the very first step is to visit your profile on the DoorDash app. Make sure you have installed the latest updated version of DoorDash, and after opening your DoorDash app, visit to your profile. After visiting to your profile, check your payment methods now. Go on the payment methods and now just check all the payment methods you have. Now, click on the add prepaid card. After clicking on the add prepaid card, type your secret code and secret click redeem. After typing your secret code and tapping and clicking on the redeem option, you are just done. That's the final step, and now you can simply enjoy your balance. So that's how you can do this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe the button, and also comment in the comment section below.